How to create a price alert in TradingView. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Price alerts in TradingView help you stay informed when an asset reaches a specific price so that you don't have to watch the chart all day. So here's how you do it. Open the TradingView application on your device and log in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on one of the charts for the stock, cryptocurrency, forex pair, or other asset you want to monitor. Just go to the chart tab and select one of the symbols. After you're inside the chart page, to create an alert, go ahead and tap the three dots at the bottom, and from the expanded menu, click Alerts. Now click on Create Alert, and on the next page, go ahead and choose the alert condition. Select price or volume, and right where you see this crossing drop down, choose the condition that will trigger the alert. I'm just going to click on crossing over here. Now, right next to the value option, go ahead and enter the value when you want the alert to be triggered on. Enter the price level over here. Finally, click on the create button at the bottom right corner and you will be able to create an alert. Now, TradingView will monitor the price automatically and notify you when your chosen condition is met. So that's how you create a price alert in TradingView. Now you can focus on other tasks while TradingView keeps an eye on the market for you. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.